Have you ever pondered the intricate process that goes into building a house? The architectural marvel that we casually call home is the result of a complex dance of planning, construction, and finishing touches. Today, we delve into this fascinating process, unraveling the step-by-step journey of creating a house from scratch. The first step is acquiring a plot of land. This forms the canvas upon which the dreams of home are painted. It's important to ensure the land is suited for construction, and this involves a thorough geotechnical survey to assess the soil and subsoil conditions. After acquiring the land, the next critical phase is the design process. This is where architects and engineers come into the picture. They draft the blueprint of the house, ensuring every nook and cranny is meticulously planned. The design process is a blend of creativity and practicality, balancing aesthetics and functionality. Next comes the approval process. This involves submitting the design plans to the local government for approval. The plans are scrutinized to ensure they comply with building codes and regulations. Once the approval is granted, the actual construction can commence. The construction phase marks the transformation of the blueprint into a tangible structure. This phase is broken down into several stages. It all starts with laying the foundation. This is the base of the house, providing it with the necessary stability. Following the foundation, the framework of the house is erected. This skeletal structure outlines the shape and size of the house. Once the frame is up, the walls and roof are constructed. This encapsulates the structure, providing it with protection from the elements. The house is then wired for electricity and plumbed for water and sewage. The next step is the installation of insulation. Insulation is crucial for energy efficiency, keeping the house warm in winter and cool in summer. After insulation, drywall is installed, creating the interior walls of the house. Then comes the finishing phase. This is where the house truly starts to feel like a home. The interior is painted, flooring is laid, and fixtures like lights, cabinets, and appliances are installed. Finally, the landscape around the house is designed and executed. This might include planting trees, creating a garden, or even constructing a patio. To recap, building a house is a complex process that involves several key steps. It starts with land acquisition, followed by design and approval. The construction phase involves laying the foundation, erecting the framework, constructing the walls and roof, and installing the necessary wiring and plumbing. The house is then insulated and drywalled, followed by the finishing touches. Finally, the landscape around the house is designed and executed. Building a house is a testament to human creativity and engineering prowess. It's a process that requires meticulous planning, careful execution, and an unwavering attention to detail. The result, however, is a place that provides shelter, comfort, and a sense of belonging, a place we call home.